Are you renovating your home? Why not make it a family affair? Getting the kids involved in projects that can make them feel included and proud of their work. Hi, I'm Denise Swick with Remax Performance, Denise Swick & Company, and I appreciate you checking out my video blog for current and accurate information regarding real estate in the Miami Valley. So if you're looking to buy a home, please click here on this tab, or if you're interested in selling, click here for an approximate estimate of your home. So not every job is going to be right for your kids, yet there are several tasks that they can do with supervision and a few they might be able to handle on their own. The first step is to properly explain the task at hand and identify any risks. Cleaning and chucking. Before any renovation can start, you'll probably have to do some cleaning. The traditional three-pile method of keep, sell, donate can work well for kids. Painting the walls. Your kids have probably been painting since before they could speak, with their fingers anyway. You'll want to give them a basic tutorial that illustrates how to best get paint on the desired surface without dribbles. They will love it. Backsplashes. Doing your own kitchen backsplash is a relatively easy DIY project you can do over the weekend and have a little fun at the same time. If you're doing mosaics on a sheet, kids as young as 5 or 6 should be able to help place them and even help adhere them to the wall and apply and clean up the grout. Pulling up carpet. Kids who love to dismantle stuff will love being able to help roll up carpet for removal. A tack strip to remove? A handy child can use a pry bar and a rubber mallet to handle this task. Just take proper precautions. Laying wood floors. Kids can be helpful gluing and placing wood planks and might even enjoy the process. Working side by side with your children laying out the wood pieces will make you feel all good every time you take a step. Wallpaper removal. The tedious peeling away of old wallpaper might be the perfect task for your kids. Even if they don't finish the job, any wallpaper you don't have to peel off yourself is a major bonus. Gardening. Kids love to get dirty. Depending upon the age and inclination of your children, a bag of soil and a shovel might be considered a good time. To buy or sell, call me at 937-619-7447.